Hi guys, this is Shashank and welcome back to MS Word Quick Tips and Tricks presented by Academy. And today in this video we are gonna talk about the word count feature of MS Word. So let's start today's video. Well friends, the word count feature of MS Word can be of great help when you have to write an article or any newsletter where you have given a specific number of words to be maintained, or you can see the minimum number and maximum number of words where you cannot exceed the word limit, or you have to maintain the minimum number of words in any article. In those cases, the word count feature can be of great help to track the number of words in your article. So let's see how to do that. You can see I have written an article, and the bottom left of this article you can see that we have the number of total words in this article. The total number of words are 1250, and you can even click here to get the more detailed statistics of your word counts. Now you can see if I write anything, the word count will change automatically. Now you see the word count has been changed to 1251. So this way you can track the word count. Now go here and click, and you will get the more detailed statistics of the word count. Total number of pages are 3 words, 1250 characters with spaces, and characters with no spaces are already mentioned here. You can not only track the total word count of your document, but you can also select any paragraph or any specific line to get the word count. Like I have just selected this paragraph, and now you can see the total word count is 79 out of 1250 words. Now go here, click, and you will get the detailed statistics of that paragraph. That total pages is 1, words are 70, characters with no spaces and with spaces are decreased as per the selection. So this way you can use the word count feature of MS Word, which can be of great help when you are writing any article with specific number of words. So thank you very much guys for watching this video, and stay tuned for my upcoming videos in this series.